Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to reset keyboard settings on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you have a Samsung device or Samsung phone, and now you want to reset your Samsung phone keyboard settings, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to reset your Samsung phone keyboard settings, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the settings app. Scroll down the settings page, keep scrolling to get to general management, and then click on it. Now, once you click on general management, scroll down, locate and click on Samsung keyboard settings. On the Samsung keyboard settings page, you want to scroll down the page, locate and click on reset to default settings. Now, once you tap reset to default settings, it should say reset keyboard settings, erase personalized predictions, erase personalized touch recognition, and clear cache. Now, to reset your keyboard settings, go ahead and click on reset keyboard settings. Then you see what that says, reset keyboard settings, downloaded image won't be deleted. Now to proceed, go ahead and click on reset. Then hang on, and then you're good to go. That is going to reset your Samsung phone keyboard settings. So, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.